Let's take a quick look at reporting in Adobe Captivate Prime. In order to see reports, you'll need to be logged in either as an administrator or as a manager. Reports are available to people in both roles. When you're ready to look at reports, come over to the left-hand navigation bar, click on the Reports icon in order to begin. You'll see there are a variety of sample reports that are available to you. Here in the Sample Reports page, you'll note that you have the ability to view more than one dashboard. If you want to add an additional dashboard, simply click on the Add Dashboard view and then give the dashboard a name and a brief description. One of the great things about this is that you can actually share dashboards with other people. I'm going to go ahead and share this with other managers in my organization. Now, Daniel is someone who has many direct reports. So I'm going to go ahead and say, you know what, I'd like to share this with Daniel because he'll be able to see my data and share it and understand the reports I'm setting up in the context of his team. Now I can save this. Now I'll find my Track Skills dashboard here under my View Dashboard option. I have a track dashboard, but there are no reports attached at this point. I can either click Add Report down here, or I can click the Add button in the upper right-hand corner. I want to create a dashboard that, as we mentioned, is going to track skill development. So I'll call this Skill Development, and I would like to examine the skills that people are learning in my organization. I would like to one that's for general skills achieved and skills assigned, and I would like to examine that based on the date. So I'm going to put the date in there, and I'm going to say, you know what, I would like to see this transformation on a daily basis. I could also do it on a monthly basis or quarterly basis in order to get comparative information. I want to know all of the skills up to today's date, so I will leave this one on the till date. And finally, I know that I want to filter this based on everybody, but you can see here that I could filter it just for Daniel's reports, and that might be a good way if Daniel and I had to share a chart. If, for example, I was supervising Daniel, I could have a quick and easy way to provide him a chart that shows all of his reports, and maybe I will do that. But for now, I'll leave it at all reports with all profiles. So everybody in all different job roles, and then I'm interested in all of the skills. I could, for example, choose a specific skills, maybe sales or enterprise sales proficiency, but in this case, I will leave it all skills. I'll click the Save option. I would like to move this report to different dashboards, so I will click on Move the report to a different dashboard. I'll select the Track Skills dashboard, and I'll move the report just like that. I will select the Track Skills dashboard so that I can see the skills development has now moved itself into that track dashboard. I also have the ability to download the report data to an Excel spreadsheet so that I can use it locally. And that's a basic introduction to reporting in Adobe Captivate Prime.